Okay. Before that, there are some things here. Okay. There are some tips that I need to tell you also, more than the tips that we already know and we already take before. The first tip here, I need someone to read it. Just read the headline. By the way, there is a participation in your IELTS. And don't worry, I'm going to write every participation. Yalla Arwa, can you please read the headline?
Skim over and watch for the answers. Skimming refers to looking only for the main ideas. You don't need to read attentively every word. Remember, you just need to answer the questions, nothing more. So skim over the text and then start looking for the answers.
Thank you so much. So this idea goes with the way that some of you, I think also Sarah said last week that, or sorry, last meeting, that she wants to read first and then read the questions. But instead of just reading everything, you're going to skim. What did he say about the meaning of skim? Here. What did he say about the meaning of skim? Can you see this SpongeBob? What is he doing? He's just skimming through the paper, finding only what? The details?
The main ideas.
Yes, thank you both of you, Farah and Rahaf. We're searching only for the main ideas. Why do I need the main idea? Because it helps me to figure out, most of IELTS question, by the way, in the reading, they search for the main ideas. Okay? Let's see the next tip that we have. I need someone to read it, and I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose Dima. Yes, Dima, can you read it, please? Just read it. Yes, Dima. Okay, maybe I'm going to choose Shadin. Yes, Shadin. Shadin?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I just needed to read the paragraph here. Read the title and the paragraph.
Okay. Watch your time. Don't forget you have only 16 minutes to read 3 texts and answer 40 questions. You won't get additional time for filling your answer sheet. So make sure manage your time properly.
Thank you so much. So as we said before, we have how many hours or how many minutes? We have only 60 minutes. This is the only, you think that it's too much, but no, it's not too much. Why? Because you have 60 minutes. You have 40 questions, not easy questions. You have to read 3 texts. Each text has many paragraphs, you see? Okay, and also you have an answer sheet. You're not going to answer on the same paper, by the way. They are not going to take the answer on the same paper. You have an answer sheet. Do you know the meaning of an answer sheet, Ola? Tani?
Yes.
ورقة يا أجوبة.
Yes, very good. So you will have an answer sheet, and that's really important. So you need to remember that not only answering on your paper, no, make time for answering on the sheet, because the paper, they will not see it. They only see the answer sheet. Okay, so all of this makes you what? Know how to manage your time. Okay, طيب, can you please tell me how you're going to manage 60 minutes? Like, guess, are you going to give 15 minutes for reading the main ideas? Or are you going to give 20 minutes for answering? Tell me how you're going to divide the 60 minutes. Yalla Lama, how are you going to divide it?
I feel like 20 minutes is good for scanning or reading the text, and then the other 40 minutes we can look at the questions and try to answer and search in the text if we didn't like get the answer.
so let's divide this into, you have 60 minutes and you have 3 sections, okay? So each section will take you, supposedly, it's going to take you what? If you have 3 sections and you have 60 minutes, each one of those sections should take only
20
Only what?
minutes.
30 minutes?
20.
minutes.
20 minutes. So you have 20 minutes for each section. Right. For each section, how many minutes you're going to read and to answer? For the text, for the only one text. Section 1, Section 2, let's say that this is Section 1. Section 1. Okay. You have only 20 minutes. You see, because we said that for each one of them, you're going to take 20 minutes and you have 3. So how many minutes you're going to make for reading, and how many minutes you're going to take for answering the questions? Just imagine, it doesn't have to be right. The actual training is different. Hassani, how are you going to divide your time? We said that the whole time is 60 minutes, and you have 3 parts, 3 sections. لديك 3 أقسام. So Rahaf, raise
Maybe
your
10,
hand.
maybe 10 minutes for reading and 10 for answer the questions.
So you said 10 minutes for you, it's going to be for reading and skimming. طيب, and the other 10 minutes?
For answer the questions.
For answering the question. Perfect. We're just guessing, Sani. The actual training is different. Maybe we have to change all of this because remember the video that I show you? They say that the 3rd section in the reading, in the test, okay, is what? The easiest or the most difficult one? The 3rd section, not the 1st, not the 2nd, the 3rd one, the last one. What did they say?
Most difficult?
It's the
Yes.
most difficult.
Yes, perfect. Salam. Thank you. Thank you, Rama. They say that the last section is going to be the most difficult one. So remember, if I'm going to divide the 60 minutes equally, لو قسمتها بالتعادل, it's not good. If I give 20 minutes section 1, 20 minutes section 2, 20 minutes section 3, no, I think it's not good. Because 20 minutes for section 3, which is the difficult one, no, maybe I will take more time. Maybe I will take 25 minutes. So that means in section 1 and 2, I have to finish very quickly. Okay, let's see another tip that we have. I need someone to read. I want to choose someone from Afnan Khatib. Hello, Afnan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, can you please read the title and the paragraph?
Okay. Is your spelling correct? Check your spelling before writing your answer on the answer plan. You will get 0 points for the answer if it's spelled incorrectly.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Afnan. This is, I think it's shocking also for me that when you write, sometimes they tell you write 2 words, write 3 words just to answer, to complete the sentence. The big shock is that you will get 0 points for the answer if it's spelled incorrectly. Yani, if they told you to write school, okay? This is the correct spelling of school. But maybe you are nervous and you know the correct spelling, but you are nervous and you try to answer quickly and you write it like this. They are going to give you the whole answer. They are going to give you 0. You will get nothing. All of those are not correct if you spell it incorrectly. So again, another thing that you should train on is your
Spelling.
Yes, your spelling. I think this
Spelling.
is also a difficult one for us, right? To have a good spelling. Because in school, for example, when I teach, when I
Count.
correct, when I correct your answers, I will consider the correct answer if you have one letter different, and I can understand that here you mean school, so maybe I can consider it as a correct answer. But for them, they are very strict. They will give what? 0 points if you have spelling mistake. Okay. The next one, I need someone please to read, and I'm going to choose. Who do I have? Who do I have? Yes, Ru'a. Ru'a, are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you please read the title and the paragraph?
Okay. Remember that the questions follow the order of the text in most cases, so the answer to question 5 will come after the answer to question 4 and so on.
Thank you so much. Can someone please explain this to me? What is the meaning of this? Yes, Rama, can you please explain it to us? Rama Hadrami, can you please explain it to us?
Yes, I can explain it.
Yes, please.
So I think what they mean is that the essay is like, let's say it's in 3 paragraphs. Question number 1, you'll find it mostly in the first paragraph. And then question number 2, you'll find it in the next paragraph.
So I will not find question number 6 in the beginning of paragraph 1.
No, it won't happen.
Yes, very good. This is the meaning of this, Sani, sorry. If you want to answer a reading passage, they say that if you find the answer of question 1, the answer of question 2 should be after it. So don't waste your time reading the paragraph before. No, don't waste your time. Halas, you find the answer of number 1, of course number 2 is going to be under it. Like I find number 2, here I'm not going to find number 3. No, I'm not. I have to find it after the answer of number 2. So I'm going to keep reading still. I'm reading here until I find number 3. This lead, if you don't want to get confused, they say that this leads us to the next step is that you need to underline. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't write it. But you need to underline. The next step is that you need to underline. Why? So I won't forget. Khalas, I found the answer of number 1. I'm going to underline number 1. Okay, and I will write 1, so I won't forget. Why? So I don't waste my time and then reading the answer again. No, I will find number 2 after it, and then number 3, and then number 4.
Teacher.
Yes, Lee.
جميع الأسئلة هكذا مرتبة على حسب الفقرة.
Yes, even the listening. Remember, Lane, when we have listening exams, I think I always tell you that you need to pay attention that the answer of the beginning of the listening is going to be at the beginning. Yani. The first question, you will find it in the beginning of the audio. The next question, you're going to find it after it. هكذا. Listening and reading, mostly they are in order. Listening and reading. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So even when we, inshallah, take the listening in the IELTS, when we're going to train for the listening, you're going to see that also the order, the answer of the listening is going to be in order. The same thing as in the reading. Do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing? Do you think it's a good thing for you? It's make it easier for you that you will find the answer in order?
Yes.
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 Yes. I think it's very easy to make it easy for us to find the answer in order. Okay, now we will have here we will have an example. We're going to read together in this time. Okay, I'm not going just to give you the questions. We're going to read together. Okay, as you can see here, Ola, okay, I will send the link to you so you can open it, and you can still listen to me, I think, because in Zoom you can listen even if you go to another page. So if you cannot see here very well, you can move on and see and read by yourself. Today, the example that we're going to take is about, what is this? Can someone read it?
Light pollution.
Thank you, Ru'ya. Light pollution. Have you ever heard of light pollution? We always know about... No, you've never, Khuzama?
No, it's my first time.
Yes, there is something called light pollution, and people do not talk about it very much. This, and it's called light pollution because it comes out of light. We know about air pollution. We know about environmental pollution, but also today we're going to learn again about light pollution. I found this passage, even though of course it's long, يعني all the IELTS text ترى هكذا. يعني لو ترينها طويلة ترى هي هكذا. Okay? So I find this is going to be very easy. Okay? I will send you also the link of the questions. طيب. Now I found what? The title, which is light pollution. Okay, I found here that there are paragraphs. They are in letters A, B, C, D until J. Okay, طيب. I need you to do the skimming now. Skimming, searching for the main ideas for each paragraph. Okay, before doing the skimming, let's look at what the questions. طيب, what kind of question that I have? The first one, what is the question? I need someone to read it. Choose. Choose what? Just read the first question, please. Yes, Khuzama.
Choose the most suitable heading for paragraph A to F from the list of heading below.
Thank you so much. You're going to choose the most suitable headings, يعني موضوع أو title, for paragraphs from A to F. Those are the headings, okay? And you're going to read the paragraphs, not all the paragraphs, until F, from B to F. And you're going to choose. طيب, how many headings that you have here? Can you number them? How many? Count them.
10.
10? Yes, 10 headings. How many paragraphs I'm going to find the heading for?
5.
5. So how many left that I'm not going to use?
5.
5. Yes. So can you see, Sani? يعني they will give you 5 options that you don't need. يعني أنت فقط تحتاجين 5 مثلا. Okay? And the rest, you don't need them. So this is a lot. Okay? But it's okay. We can do it. The next question is, what is the question? I need, يلا فرح.
Complete each of the following statement with words taken from the passage.
What is the condition?
Write 1 or 2 words for each answer.
Okay, this is like complete the sentences. Okay, يعني كأنه أكمل الفراغ. You're just going to complete with 1 word or 2 words. And the last question, you just have to do what? The last question, يا أفنان الحميد. Can you read it, please? Afnan?
Yes, teacher.
Just read the question, please.
أي واحد.
The one here. Do the following.
Do the following statement agree with the information given in reading passage 1.
Thank you so much. So you're going to see whether you're going to write yes if the statement, يعني the sentence agree with the writer, or no if it's not, or not given if you did not read it in the passage. طيب. Now let's start with the first question, okay? The first question is that I'm going to find the headings for each paragraph. I will start with paragraph 2. I will start with, paragraph B. Let's read it together, this paragraph, okay? طيب يلا, I needed to read, I'm going to read with you, so we're going to choose the best heading. Paragraph B. Okay. Then writing, then reading. Then reading. طيب. Raise your hand. I'm not going to choose. Just I want to know. Raise your hand if you understand the main idea, or if you understand the idea of the most of the paragraph. Raise your hand. Just I want to see your names. Raise your hand if you think that you understand most of the ideas, or at least you know what is this paragraph talk about. Raise your hand. Only Salam? Okay, Lama, Salam, and Inas. Lean is not sure. You can tell. Did you understand the whole, or what is the paragraph talks about? Or if someone tells you what is the paragraph about, you cannot answer. This is the main idea. When I ask you what is the paragraph is about, you can tell me. Right. Very good, Lean. What about the rest? You don't understand what is the paragraph is about? It's a very easy paragraph. There are words, I know, there are words that we don't understand, but it's okay. We said that in IELTS, we will have words that we don't understand. Even if you are a very good one in English, you will find in the test words that you don't understand, but it's okay. Everyone actually. But we have to move on. I don't have to stick. Yani, for example, I find the word eliminates here. I don't understand the meaning of this word. Do I have to stop? No, but I can guess the meaning of this verb or this word. Okay. But what about the rest? You don't understand the main idea? Razan, very good. لين ممتاز. رؤية ما شاء الله. What about you, the rest? I'm taking participation, please. Yes, Lean, Khuzama, of course. Rahaf, Ghala, sure Ghala, and Hiba. Okay, طيب. Now we can what? We can now choose the best title. Now let's go back here to the question of the heading here. Now we said we're going to find the best heading. Heading يعني main idea. Okay, هم يكتبون إنه هو عنوان قصير. Okay, and also it means the main idea of something. طيب. This one is not with us, by the way. This one is removed. It's going because he chose it with paragraph A. So we have from the beginning until here. Which one of them do you think it's about paragraph B? Why lights are needed? Did we talk here about why lights are needed? Why we need light in our life? Did he talk about this here?
No.
No. خلاص. I'm going to skip. This one is not with us. Number 2. Lightning discourage low breakers. Breakers دائما الشيء الذي ينتهي ب R يكون someone. Okay, ER actually. So lightning discourages low breakers or not? Did he talk about this?
No.
People?
No.
Yeah. He didn't talk about the people who break the law. Crime? No. So 1 and 2 is not with us. Did he talk about the environmental dangers of the light? Here, did he talk about the environmental danger?
No.
Again, no, he didn't talk about this. Very good. Right, let's go back. Now this, all 3 are not with us. People at risk from bright lights. There are some lights that are very bright that puts people at risk. Did this paragraph talk about this?
No.
No.
Again, no. Very good. You see, when you filter your answers, it's a very good way to filter the answers. So those are 4 not with us. Illuminating space. Right. Illuminating means what? To show or to light the place. So illuminating space. Space is out of the earth. Space. Do you know the meaning of space?
Yeah.
الفضاء.
Yes. Did he talk about anything related to space here?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Again, he didn't talk about this. Right. A problem lights do not solve. Did he talk about a problem here? Yes, he talked about the problem of lights, but did he talk about a problem that I cannot solve? لا أستطيع أن أحلها?
No.
No.
Again. Seen from above. Did he talk about this? Seen
Yes.
from above. Yes, he said that some of the lights, okay, he said here in some idea here, yes, he said that in almost every town, big and small town, street lights, يعني اللي هي نراها في الشارع, street lights beam just as much light up and out as they do down, illuminating much more than just the street. يعني they show light or they light the street more than the area, more than the target area. But is it what the whole paragraph is about? No. More light than is necessary. What do you think about this one?
I think yes.
Yes, me too. Like, how we can find this? Let me show you. He said here, that the parking lot here in the parking, in shopping mall, in parking, you can see the lights, even from what? From large cities, okay? Because they show us more than what it's needed. Okay, what else he talks about? A light that is not necessary. In almost every town, street lights, okay, oh, sorry. street lights. Can you see? Much more than just the street. What else? In the last two lines, where did you find, you're going also to find the same idea?
About the
Hassan.
billboards, shopping centers, and private homes.
Yeah, very good. And the last two words that he said, or the last word that he said, Lama?
Are similarly over-illuminated.
Over-illuminated. Now, can you guess the meaning of over-illuminated, Ya Sani? I don't understand, for example, as we said, illuminates or illuminated. But I can tell, صح? I can tell the meaning. The artificial light that illuminates more than its intended target area. What do you understand from the meaning of illuminate?
مضيئة.
Yes, very good, Salam. Did you find the meaning by yourself or did you check?
للأسف check.
No, we don't want you to check. I told you that you should get used, if you want to be good in answering reading questions, you should be good in what? Try to fight yourself. Don't search for any words that you don't understand the meaning of.
Teacher, but I try and maybe is the same meaning.
You think
يعني
that
نفس اللي تخيلته نفس اللي
okay, good. Yeah, you guessed the meaning before you search for the actual meaning. Did you guess?
Yes.
What comes to your mind when you read it?
The same thing maybe يعني نفس الشيء إنه يعني مرة في لمبات كتير.
Yes, very good, very good. Thank you. That's the thing. That when you come to the way that you can guess the meaning, you are very good. You're very good in answering any reading question. So we said paragraph B is got to be here. So we're done with this one. Now let's see paragraph C. I told you we're going to do each one. Like I will give you 2 minutes just to read, and then we will going to find the main idea. Oh, sorry. Have you finished? Like, raise your hand again, as we did. Raise your hand if you think you understand what is this paragraph about. Paragraph C. Please raise your hand if you think what is this paragraph about. Nice, mashallah. Very good. Other people. Tell me if you think that you can tell that the main idea of this paragraph. More people, mashallah, more than the first one. Very good. Okay, so now we have read the paragraph. We don't have to understand every word, okay? So stick, please. Don't search for the meaning of a word that you don't understand, okay? Let's go back and choose the best heading for paragraph C. Okay, we said that this one and this one are not with us from the beginning until here. So, do you think that paragraph C talks about why lights are needed?
No.
No. So this one also is not with us. You see, we always filter the answers. It would be easier for us. Now we do it very slow, but later you're going to find yourself that you're going to do it very quickly. Type, lightning discourages law breakers?
No.
You think? No.
No.
Yeah. The environmental dangers? Did he talk about any environmental danger in paragraph C?
No.
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 Yes, very good. But did he talk about people at risk from bright lights?
No.
Again?
No.
No, he didn't talk about that. Did he talk about illuminating space? Did he talk about anything related to space?
No.
No.
Again?
No.
No. A problem that lights do not solve?
No.
Yeah.
No. But did he talk about seen from above?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Like, tell me the keywords or the sentences that could tell you that, oh, this is the correct answer. This could be the main idea or the main heading of the paragraph. From above. You know the meaning of from above?
Yes.
Mhm.
When you are up in a airplane.
Perfect. Lean, can you underline? I think you can use your pen. Can you underline where did you find this?
I don't have the pen.
The annotate, you cannot use it? Yes, you can use it. Yes, now can you show us? When? Very good. Excellent. Very good, Lean. When you are up in an airplane. Very good. That means seen from above. What else? As I told you, sometimes the main idea, typical paragraph, I will find the main idea, the first line, the first two lines. So, can you tell?
When he said America has become so bright.
Very good. Can you please underline this? Show us, Yarazan. Can you please show us? Excellent. America has become so bright. Can you continue? We will find more a clear idea also when he completed by saying. America has become so bright that in what? Can someone read this word? What is this word? Danya?
Satellite?
Yeah, satellite image. Do you know the meaning of satellite?
No.
You don't know?
No.
At least, do you know where is it?
In space. In space.
Yes, in space. So this also gives us the idea that from above. Very good.
Right.
Okay. So, Sani, until now, do you find it easy to find the main idea or the heading of each paragraph?
Yes.
Honestly, do you find it easy now?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now let's move on to paragraph D. I think also it's interesting. Let's move on. This is paragraph D. 2 minutes to read? Then again, we're going to find the heading.
Teacher,
Yes, Salam.
should I read D?
Yes, we're going to read D now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Right. Now, raise your hand if you understand the main idea of paragraph D. If you can tell what is paragraph D about, then please raise your hand. Very good, Ru'ya, Khuzama, and Razan. Also Farah, also Rama, and Ghala, Rahaf, of course, Lama. Who else? Can you tell the main idea of paragraph D? Again, if you have a word that you don't understand, don't pay attention to it. You can guess the meaning. If you did not, then don't search for the meaning. We don't want to know the meaning of each word. Okay, right. Since now we can tell the main idea of this paragraph, now let's choose the best heading. Okay, we said that we have this one we're not going to choose, this one here also. Okay, right. Does paragraph D talks about why lights are needed?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
He talks about, this paragraph talks about what? Do we need light to ensure our safety? And the whole paragraph was about that can crime happen in a place that is only dark? Crimes cannot happen in a bright place or in a bright area that has a lot of light? What did you get from this paragraph? Can crimes happen in a place that is very bright and the light is so much?
No. Yes, it can.
Yes, it can. It doesn't matter if it's in a dark place or in what? In a very light place, the crime will happen, right? So as you can see in the last line, and contrary to popular belief, more crimes occur in broad daylight, meaning what? In mornings, in afternoons, than at night. Type. So number 1 is not with us. Number 2, lightning discourages law breakers. Is this the meaning? Or is this the heading of paragraph D? That lightning discourages law breakers?
Yes. I think
It's,
so.
are you sure? It's the opposite of the main idea of paragraph D. In this line, it means that the places that are light and they have a lot of light, law breakers, the people who do the crime, they will not do any crime because of the light. So is this really the main idea of paragraph D?
No.
Yeah. So number 3, the environmental danger. Did they talk about any environmental dangers?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they didn't talk about any environmental dangers. Okay. People at risk from bright lights.
No.
No.
Again, no, they didn't. Eliminating space. Did they talk about this?
No.
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 A problem that lights do not solve.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the problem that lights cannot solve?
The
crime.
The crimes.
The crime.
The crimes
Yes.
happen.
Yes, the crime.
At
They
any
give us
time.
a reason. Like, can you tell me where did you get this idea? We have many ideas here that tell us that crime would not be solved because of the light. Actually, crime can happen in a place full of light. Where did you find this? Yes, Rahaf, can you underline? Very good. There is, you can continue here, there is no documented correlation between the level of lightning and the level of crime. So there is nothing between them. And as we said before, the last line, what did we say, Lama? Yes, more crimes. Yes, very good. Occurs in broad daylight than at night. Very good. This is also tell us that light will not solve the problem of crime. What else? Do we have also a proof? Another proof that we have here? Overly bright security. Light can actually what? Can actually what?
Force neighbors to.
Yes, Khuzama.
Force neighbors to close the shutter.
Very good. Very good. Bright security lights can actually force neighbors to close the shutter. They close the shutter of their window, so which means that if any criminal activity happens, they will not see it. So does the light now help? No. Did the light help? No. Okay, right. We will stop here. Okay, we're going to continue next, inshallah, on Sunday. Right. What do you think, Sani? Did you learn something today? Did you learn many things today? Do you think now it's easy for you that you can answer a reading question? Yes, Razan?
Yes. Yes, it's going to be so easy because I don't have to know all the meanings.
Yes, I think it's very easy. That's very good idea. We don't have to search for all the meanings. Okay, I'm sorry I took your time. Just let me take the attendance and then you're free to go. Okay.